Dick Zandy moved to this lakefront North Cowichan home for the peace and quiet.
It's so nice and peaceful here.
But says a group of squawking peacocks that are roaming loose here are turning this tranquil spot into a source of headaches.
It's a horrible, shrill sound. The worst part is that aside from listening to it all day is at night, so you have to sleep with your windows closed. I even wear earplugs, and it's just, there you go, you see. There, speaking for itself.
Mona Anderson says the birds also peck on her windows, roost on her roof, and defecate daily on her patio.
And I have to go out with my water, my hose, and spray it down to get rid of it. You shouldn't have to do that every morning. If you had dogs in the neighborhood came and messed all the time, you know, they would get taken away.
Zandy estimates as many as 7 are on the loose. So he contacted North Cowichan Bylaws and Animal Control, who gave him this live trap.
They use it mainly for aggressive dogs.
Then he's supposed to sit and wait for the moment the peacock enters the cage and pull this rope that he's rigged to his second-floor window to catch himself a peacock.
And last year they brought the trap out and we caught 2. They relocated them. So now we have the trap back again and hope to catch a few more.
The owner of the farm where the peacocks are coming from declined our request for an on-camera interview on Thursday, but said that the peacocks came with the farm when he purchased it 9 years ago. It says they're a historical feature of this Quamichan Lake neighborhood and predate most of the houses around here. But he also said he would welcome anyone coming onto his property, trapping and getting rid of them, though he wouldn't want to go to the expense himself.
They are their animals, so I think they've got to take responsibility for them.
You can't just have animals run free and not have consequences to other people's properties. I mean, that's just not fair. It's not right.
But in the meantime, Zandy will be sitting in wait by this cage, hoping to solve some of the problem of the peacocks, just as more peacock chicks begin hatching next door.